Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to see or view blocked senders in Yahoo Mail app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first of all, to do this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Yahoo Mail app, and once you open it, simply tap on the settings option. So once you tap it on, you need to go and tap on the more settings section where you can find the security and privacy on the left hand side of the corner. So simply tap on it where you can find the blocked addresses. There you can see that the address or email address that you have blocked will appear right below the add section. So you can simply tap on the delete option, which is the trash can icon if you want to delete it, or you can view your blocked senders this way on your Yahoo Mail app. So all the email addresses which you have blocked will appear in this section. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.